Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here. It's Tuesday, May 26th. Hope everybody had a great Memorial Day weekend. It is a shortened week because of the holiday here yesterday. And it's the last week of the month. So expect to see some shifting around of positions. Do we get some short covering out of the corn market? Corn's up a couple cents here overnight. Beans up about 4 cents as well. The wheat market, though, is still down a little as we go into this shortened week. But a lot of focus is going to be on what are we doing as far as trade? Do we hear more trade talks? Do we get more tension between the U.S. and China? And does the media spin that in a certain direction? But then the other focus is going to be the weather. Too much rain, too little rain in areas, too hot in certain portions of the country, whatever else it is. Do we start to see as we go into June, do we start to put some weather premium into these markets at this time? Typically we do as we get more of a summer type bounce or summer rally due to that weather. But we also need to be considerate and think about what's going to happen here on the demand side of things. We've seen good export sales, especially for soybeans over the last several weeks. Does that continue? Do we continue to see China buying? Do we see this demand still remain strong? And those are going to be key factors here in order to continue to see if we can get these markets to grind higher over the next few weeks. Outside markets kind of helping things along right now. Crude oil up over $1 this morning. You've got the products 2.5 to 3 cents higher this morning as well. So that's helping push our markets into the green this morning. But keep an eye on the media. Keep an eye on what happens here. Do we get some additional sales? But then what kind of tensions do we have here with China? And how do we look at that here as we go forward? So keep in touch with us. We'll get you guys the news. Hope you guys are having a great day out there. And we'll chat again with you soon. Take care.
Allendale Market Talk Podcast, a fresh take in the podcast world, giving you insight from a trader's perspective, allowing you to have access from your planter, combine, or anything in between. Subscribe to Allendale Market Talk Podcast today.